Hey guys, I'm back again with another video, so let's get to it. I'm probably not gonna put any audio on the video, so let's see. So basically today we're gonna be going camping. This is all the packed things that we're gonna be bringing. I don't know if there's gonna be any like electricity there or like service, so let's see. I'm gonna vlog everything, so just keep on watching. Good morning everyone. So today is going to be a full day here at the camping ground. I slept early around 11, I think 11 or 11 o'clock last night, and woke up at 7 and then slept again because there wasn't really a thing to do here. So basically this is our camping room. It's just maybe this is like what, queen bed with my brother, and yeah, the service is pretty bad here, and you really have to like talk to the person, and yeah, I'm gonna show you whatever things to do here. So this is basically the river here. I'll probably try to swim here later. And yeah, it just looks so peaceful here. I'm gonna try how cold the water is. So let's try how cold the water is. Ooh, it's pretty cold, but it's not that bad. It's manageable. These are like the camping grounds here. It's just all trees and stuff, and it's a little bit cloudy, so hopefully it gets, sunnier later. So I'm currently searching clothes. Yeah, this is how I'm gonna change inside the tent. And yeah, I'm wearing my swim shorts already, so just in case we ever go out. I can show you the outfit for today. Just like that, maybe I'm just gonna wear Crocs. But yeah, that's the outfit. Giving you monochrome vibes. After this, I found a charger for my phone. So basically there's a pool on the second floor, basically the upper side of the camp, but we didn't want to swim at the swimming pool, so we're just gonna go to the river, but I don't know where is the river. So I feel like this is more beautiful than the other spot, so we can go over there. At least it's not that deep.